best application as it comes to AI music creation. I'm going to show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is the home screen of the application. This section is pretty much everything that people within the community post. As you can see, there are quite a lot of posts here and videos that they have posted on this platform. And this is the home section here. So down here as well, you have a YouTube Shorts type of setup in this section here. So you're going to see a lot of videos that other musics that other people have created on the application, and as well as posted here. You can see at the top we have different categories as it relates to that. You can tap on the hot now section here that everyone's listening to, and also you as well can listen to these. You as well can listen to these music. You can go ahead and follow them and also share their music that they have posted here. And if you do tap on the three dots over here, you do get full information on the music, and as well you can block them if you don't like their music. So down here you have the comment section. You can pretty much leave a comment as well and give them a like if you do like their music. So if you want to check out their profile, you can just tap on their name and set up on the name. You can see how much followers they do have, people that they are following. If I scroll down here, you can also see a lot of other stuffs. You can see the music that they have created so far while being on the application, and also other videos that they have posted while being on the application as well. Also this section here. So that's really pretty much as it relates to that. Here, the plus icon here, you can just tap on this option here to pretty much go in the music tools of you creating your own AI music. You have the AI, a lot of AI tools as it relates to music tools and so forth. So you can tap on the song starter option here to go ahead and start creating your own music. Down here, you can enter your own lyrics. As you can see here, our idea of what you want the song to be. And as well, if you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on get started and it will generate something for you. So once it's generated something, it may take a while to generate something for you. Do keep in mind, make sure that you have good internet connection. So as you can see here, this is the music that it has generated for me, and I can generate something as well as tapping on the regenerate here at the top. So you do have different parts of it. So they do generate 3 different parts of the song here. As you can see, you have 1, 2, 3. You can play all 3 of them and see which one you like the most. And as well, you can go ahead and edit the song in the edit studio option. And if I do tap on the edit studio option, here we'll just prepare the studio where you can edit the song and so forth. So you have different tools as it relates to editing songs here, as you can see here. So very, very good application if you're going to start creating your AI music. And if you just want to leave here, you can just go ahead and save. If not, you don't want to save the music, you can just discard it and discard, change and everything, and you can go back as well. So that's pretty much it for that as it relates to the application. Other features are just tools you can use as it relates to editing the music and so forth. So at the top here, you can go ahead and get their subscription that they offer. They offer a year subscription and a monthly subscription, and they do give you a 3-day free trial which can test out all of their beats, and you do get beats to use as well, guys. So you can get free beats to go along with your music, but some of these beats may cost you around $20, and I'm going to show you guys real quick. So you can tap on this option here. Once you go over here, this is all the beats section. You can see here, tap on the all beats option here and see all the beats that they have available. It's currently free right now, so all of them is currently free. So if you tap on the gift box here, as you can see here I got 2 free beats that you can see here. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, I can choose whichever beat I want. I can use any one of these for free. Do keep in mind this offer is gonna be gone for me very shortly. So over here is the purchase section, all beats that they have purchased, and as well over here the favorite section. So at the top here you can see the pro subscription section here. If you do tap on this option here, then will be redirected to the subscription page as well. So that's really pretty much it for the application. And over here is the section where you go to check on your projects as it relates to music that you have created with the application. You have the My Project section here, your collaborations with other people on the application. You have collaborations with friends on the application. You have music that you have liked on the application, and also you will be able to see deleted projects. And if you want to permanently delete them, you can go in the deleted section here. So very easy application to use. And at top here, you may see your profile icon. You can go there and pretty much set it up, and you're good to go. You can also post your video or your songs that you have as well. So very easy application to use. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to help you out, guys, and see you in the next one.